Splat. All right, today I'm here with my little sister Jenna, and we are going to be making colorful octopus yarn dolls. So these are super fun for giving away or for keeping for yourself. So what you're gonna need is a bunch of colorful yarn and a book. Now trust me on this, you're not gonna be gluing the book. It needs to be a chapter book and not too thick. And you are also going to need scissors and some beads or buttons. Okay, now take your book and your yarn and your scissors. Good job. All right, so first what you're going to do is take your yarn and wrap it around your chapter book. Now, this job can be a bit of time consuming, but it's really fun to see in fast motion. So yeah. Okay, so when you're done with that, you're just going to chop off the yarn and yeah. Okay, so now you're going to bunch together the yarn and take it off your book very gentle. Now you're going to pinch the top and make a little bubble. Don't make this more than 1 inch in length because we will make it bigger and you want to have room for the legs. So double tie the little bubble at the top and make sure you do it on both sides to make sure it is very nice and secure and the string is not going to come undone. Yeah. So, yep, just double knot it. And then just trim off the string and we are good.
Not good.
Yeah, you're coloring in the corner, huh? All right, now you got to cut off all the little loops on the ends. Make sure you get all of them because you will be braiding this and it's going to be a pain in the butt if you find some afterwards. So yeah, after you do that, you're going to split it in half and put it over the top, and this is going to make your head a lot fuller and bigger. Is fuller a word? Yeah, probably. Okay, so now you're going to take your string and tie it just like we did before. Double knot on both sides. And make sure you push it up as far as you can to make sure that you have more room for the legs. So double knot it and you should be good with that part. And you have your lovely head. Trim off the pieces and off onto the legs. Okay, so for the legs, you're going to split it in half again. And set it down so that you have half of the yarn you're working with. Place a book on the end so that it doesn't move when you are braiding the legs. Now split it into 4 pieces because an octopus has how many legs? 8 legs, right? So you're going to split it each half into 4 parts and braid them. So this does take a while, but trust me, it's going to be super duper cute. So when you have the 8 legs done, you're going to trim the legs, and then you should have 8 fantastic octopus legs. So Jenna, what's your favorite part of doing this?
Everything.
Everything? Alright, so now that we have that done, we're going to add a little bow around its neck. And this is optional, you don't have to do it. I just thought it's like super duper cute. And so, yeah, you can, that's always an option. You can do a darker color or a lighter color. So, yeah. And now you're going to glue on the eyes. Make sure you have adult supervision when you're doing it. And you have your final octopus done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for following me. Have a wonderful day. Bye.